In this video, let me teach you on how to fix iPhone Spotlight search not working after a new iOS update. For some reasons that you can't use Spotlight search after your update, watch this video to know how to fix it. First, you can try to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix any unknown issues or bugs running in the background. If it doesn't solve the issue, then let's proceed to another one. Change the language settings as that might be the cause of the issue. Open the Settings app, then go to General and open it. Scroll down to Language and Region, then tap it. And here, you can change your language by selecting Add Language and set it to English or the language that you want. If it still doesn't fix the issue, then let's try another one. Try to remove any widgets that you've added on your home screen. It is possible that some widgets you have added is a cause on why you can't use the Spotlight search, so try to clean up any widgets on your home screen. Next is through checking software update again. Sometimes there's a newest version available release which it will fix the issue and bugs you're currently experiencing. Open the Settings app, then go to General, tap the software update, and in here, wait for it to load, and you see if there is an available software update, then update it to the latest version. If there's no available software update, then all you can do is to wait for the next update as this will solve your issue.